It takes forever, and honestly, it's a nightmare. I generated this entire collection of our peachy dragon eggs in seconds. Using a simple app on RunningHub, no complex nodes, no coding, just type ice dragon egg, hit and run, and look at this! The frozen crystals, the sharp spikes. You can almost feel the cold. This is product-ready quality. Need a rare boss drop? Just change. Swap ice to void, and boom! Instant void dragon eggs. Dark galaxy texture, neon violet glow. Perfect for your abyss levels. But we can go crazier. Nature, steampunk, holy. Undead themes, or even Undead, holy, or even deep sea themes. Stop wasting time on textures. Start creating your inventory today. Link is in the description.